Hi, what's up guys, I'm MIKO and this is Tech Gadgets. So today in this video I'll show you some of the best things that you can buy from Amazon for your home. So our first item is it is just a flower vase. Wait, what? Okay, it says it is a magical flower vase. One touch on the plant and it will play a tune with blinking colorful LED lights. Every single leaf or flower of it is a key. Touch those and you will hear tunes like a piano. And also it is a Bluetooth speaker with 7 color LED light. It is a great piece of decorative item for your home or as a gift. The next one is a robot for your child or children. The name of the robot is MIKO. It connects with your child with voice-based interactions. MIKO talks, responds and learns about your child to guide their interactions. MIKO knows more than a million topics to talk on. The breadth of knowledge is ever increasing and updates automatically. MIKO also features parental control and safety. You can monitor and control the relationship between MIKO and your child through a separate analytics dashboard interface. The next item is TP-Link LB100 Wi-Fi Smart LED Light Bulb. Wow, that is a long name. Talking about this smart bulb, we usually know Philips Hue, but Philips is costly and needs a hub to operate. But with TP-Link, you don't need any kind of hub, and it works with your Wi-Fi router. Just like plug and play, you can control the light from their app, and it works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. You can set schedules, timers, countdowns, and have your lights work around your life. After everything we have around us to assist with, I cannot forget about the Amazon Echo Dot. It has 3 models and Echo Dot is the smallest and the cheapest. Echo Dot is a hands-free smart speaker that you control using your voice. It connects to Alexa, a cloud-based voice service to play music, make calls, check weather and news, set alarms, control smart home devices and much more. Echo Dot includes a built-in speaker. It can also connect to external speakers or headphones through Bluetooth or 3.5mm stereo cable. It controls lights, plugs and more with compatible connected devices. As always, thanks for watching this video guys. If you guys like this video, please give this video thumbs up. If you guys don't like this video, please go to the comment box and state your reason there. If you guys like this video, please hit the subscribe button down there. It is free to subscribe and I'm MIKO signing off for today. We'll be back with a new video soon. So till then, goodbye. And don't forget to check our website www.techgadget7.com.